I'm Stefanie Girard, and I'm here today to show you my new pole chainsaw. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger than me, but I think it's going to work great for trimming the branches in my yard. It comes with a few parts, the chain and the blade, and I think that there's a few little tools. Yep, there you go. It's got the chain and a handy tool. I'm going to do a quick assembly and then I'm off to trim some branches in my yard. I can't wait to try it out. I've got my Sun Joe pole saw all assembled. It was super easy. It only took one little tool that came with it. Filled it with oil. I have it safely plugged in. Sounds good. We're ready to go cut some branches.